Vishnu Nivasam in Tirupati on Wednesday claimed 6 lives and injured several others during the distribution of Vaikunta Dwara Darshan tokens. Overcrowding near the ticketing counter led to chaos, confirmed by TTD Chairman BR Naidu. Authorities acted quickly to control the situation, with Tirupati Collector S. Venkateswar said the situation was brought under control by 9:30 pm. Additional police forces have since been deployed and token distribution was completed by 1 am. TTD Additional Executive Officer Venkayya Chowdary visited injured victims at the hospital, while Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu has called for a review meeting and will meet victims' family. Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin expressed his condolences, sharing his grief over the loss of lives, including a victim from Tamil Nadu. He also wished for the swift recovery of the injured.